Hello all. Before we begin the video, let's discuss CloudFoundation. CloudFoundation is the premier online training platform to help individuals and organizations gain knowledge and skills in the ever-growing cloud computing industry.
Style setting. Click on here. OK. It will come in and click on OK. OK. Now it is been aligned. You can click on OK. It is getting same. Now you can see everything is connected. OK. Now you want to have a preview. So up to here. This is the step which we need to follow in the real time. After that, we need to download it. Click on Preview. OK. Click on this option Export to. I am going with XLS. OK. View Schedule. Can you see here? View Schedule. Click on View Schedule. It will take you to another page. Where in the demo system, we are unable to download the report sometimes. It is getting aborted. Last time also we tried. After once you get showing here, you can click on Refresh. The status has to in the real time. The status has to change from started to completed. Once the status is started from completed. In the dotted lines, can you see download? It is in readable mode. Once the status is completed, it will be editable. And you can download it. OK. So this is a step which we need to follow. Sometimes, what happens whenever you are creating a table report? And suppose when you are getting a requirement. The requirement also comprise something which you cannot able to find in the table report. When you are creating a column, then you need to go and cross-check it is getting aborted. So this, sometimes it won't work in the demo system. But we need to the same step process, we need to perform it in this one also. OK. That is, in the real-time process. OK. But this is a step up to here which we need to do it. And once it is started, it has to complete it successfully. Got it. Once it is been done, you can find the report also. Which will be showing here. And this report also. You can see it is a canvas. So this was the fourth report which we are trying to do. So whenever you want to click on, you can directly click on here. It will run the report. It will ask you. You have to run the report online offline. How you have to download the report? Everything it will ask. Now it will show here. Okay. Just trying to refresh it to check in XLX if it is working or not. It was. Sometimes it works, and so on, and once it is completed, then you can download this option. That is all. But this is a process which we need to follow. How to create a report? For the advanced reporting. Clearly in the real time. The people knows how to go and create advanced reporting. It's again not our problem. Anyway. But if you know the steps by seeing the recording, that's more than enough in the real-time protocol. Okay, so here you can see, I have taken to different portlets. Job information and compensation. Right. So I am trying to take a combination of it. Right. Where employment, information and compensation. Okay. So if you have created some custom MDF object and you want that custom MDF object, field values also should come in the report. Then you will go with advanced reporting because custom MDF will not support for the table. Okay. So these are the areas which we need to go and do it.
And finally, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.